Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to start connecting people on your LinkedIn. So if you want to build a connection on LinkedIn, first you need to choose your interest on LinkedIn. Now after your interest you need to search that particular niche or that particular category in which is your interest, and for those people who are interested in similar niche, you need to go on the profile of those people by their comments or by their liking. So if I want to connect this person which is interested in LinkedIn ads, I will click on the profile of that person, and if I want to connect that person, I will click on connect. And after approving from their side, we are start connecting to both of them, and we start sharing their information. So this is the way to connect people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn will also auto suggest people based on your interest. Like in my case, I had selected this type of interest, so LinkedIn will suggesting me this type of people. If I want to connect them, I will click on connect all. So this is the way to connect on LinkedIn. I hope this guide was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel.